This is Kevin's book that he sent to me, A Life in Nature by Marc Hamer. And it's a gentle, sweet book. And it fits in with what we're doing here. Doesn't fit in with what everybody does on a farm. But scything has been part of what we do on the farm. Actually wanted it to be a larger part, but I've had trouble with scythes breaking, or I leave them out in the rain and they rot, or that. And just, I'd like for it to be a better, like right now in the garden we have some green manure that needs to be chopped down. It's buckwheat, and right now would be a great time to do it. But what Hamer does is he talks about scything is a physically hard job, which it is. There's some wonderful YouTube videos about men and women who scythe, and it's a beautiful thing to watch. And the sound of it is glorious and deeply humane, and as he said, it avoids needless slaughter in small areas. The sound is pleasing, it's just a beautiful thing to know about and to have experienced, especially that sound, that swish, 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 and the ringing of the sharpener on it, and the peening of the metal to make it thin again when you put a dent into it. You will put a dent into it. And he talks about how he sees the creatures running ahead of him, shuffling and hopping to escape. And yeah, that's one of the horrors of running a bush hog, or some sort of a piece of farm equipment that mows. Flails are the worst. Scything, on the other hand, is very humane. You rarely if ever cut anything that you don't intend to cut. Kind of fits in with the margins, it fits in with the pasture. It's just, in a word, humane. And I have this nice picture in here that, speaking of humane, that I've colored in, and I've been using hold this down. I've been using these, they are like colored pencils. They're watercolor pencils. And I've been having a lot of fun with them, and my granddaughter, I've given her a set. She really likes them too. So you take these water brushes, and you have a separate little thing here to brush them, to blot them off, and you just kind of and I am not any kind of an artist. This is deeply pleasing. You just go from one color to the next, doing your thing. It watercolorizes it. This is akin to what Hamer's talking about with scything. Anything like this that is humane and gives you hope in the world, non-destructive, harmless, for the most part. The colors are nice. They're fun to do. It transforms them in a very subtle way. You don't have to be all that careful. Ooh, that's nice. That blue is nice, isn't it? Go back over what you did. Okay. That's pretty much all I wanted to do. Can block things a little bit. And there you go. Ready to go. Thanks, Hamer, and thanks, Kevin, for giving me this book.